All right. Hello there, everybody, and welcome back to part three of our ICIMS training video series, hosted by the Council of Industry. My name is Tyler, and today I'll be talking about searching candidates and adding them to existing jobs within the ICIMS database. So to start off the training, we're going to go ahead and click on the Search tab on our ICIMS search bar at the top of the screen. Top left corner. Below that, we will click on Find Qualified Candidates button. To begin our search, we are looking for individuals to fill our human resources admin job that we recently posted to the web in a previous video. This is an urgent fill, so we need to find candidates that haven't directly applied to our job, but that might be interested in it anyways. We begin by typing in the job title in the search bar, which was a human resources generalist, and then adding the zip code of the area we're in, which is 12550 Newburgh, New York. This is going to bring up every candidate in the database who is 20 miles from our zip code with the title Human Resources Generalist in or mentioned on their resume. This works for, a variety of different jobs and professions. Usually you try to pick the most general title you can that's going to grab the most amount of candidates in the database. So as you can see from that, we have 68 people matching these search parameters. If you need to close in on a certain group of people more, you can add some additional skills you require, how long they updated their profile, or if they are currently and actively searching for a job or not. Moving forward, we found a few candidates who we enjoyed looking at their resumes. We would like to send them an email to see if they would be interested in our job. We're going to go ahead and click on the check boxes next to each candidate, highlighting them, and then clicking on email at the top. Once we click email, we get a pop-up window with the to box being each of our candidates we selected. Leave the template category to all, and then we're going to select an email template to you. Email templates are wonderful tools that help you send out individual, customized emails to each candidate. For this example, we'll be using the job opportunity template. This is what our template looks like. If we want to see what the candidate will see once they receive it, we can click on Preview in the bottom left-hand side, right down here. This shows the individual email with a customized subject line, the individual's name, where we are from, and why we are reaching out. Below, we include our contact email and full name. These email templates are incredibly useful for quick, customized emails to a large group of individuals. Another option that ICIMS has for searching candidates is the option to send multiple potential applicants to a specific hiring manager or operations leader. To do this, we'll be selecting a group of candidates that have HR generalists in their resumes that, fulfilled our qualifications that we were looking for, and we're going to click on Share up here in the top. This is similar to what we covered in our second video about sending applicants that have applied to a job to another hiring manager for review. That was found in training part 2 if you wanted to go back and review that. But for this episode, we're just going to move right along. So in this case, make sure you have the right email template selected and the right hiring manager that is receiving it. So just a note here, if you ever receive this error, make sure your new ICIMS button is not blue and switched off, highlighted right here at the top of the window. They're in the process of rolling out new updates that sometimes create errors such as the one seen above when we were trying to click on a specific candidate. So all you have to do is make sure you click that button to off and then just try refreshing the page. All right, so here we'll be showing you how to add a candidate to an existing job. This makes it easy to organize who you've messaged about the job, which ones you've emailed, and place them into their respective buckets like we covered back in part 2. This example, we'll be using Maddie Evans, an individual with an HR generalist background. Start by clicking on the Submit to Job button under her name. This will bring up a pop-up window where you will type job name in search to find your specific job. Our Human Resources admin job has appeared, and we've double-clicked it, placing it under the selected box. After clicking OK, we see that Maddie Evans has been added to our recent HR admin role. From this point, we can advance, reject, share, and even schedule an interview with her, all within the ICIMS system in one convenient spot. And that is it. If you have any questions or would like a personal demonstration for either Johnny Ann or I, please feel free to reach out. I have my email address down in the bottom left-hand corner along with the phone number. If you're trying to reach me quickly, the number is 845-565-1355. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.